Congratulations on considering developing and selling AI-powered software for specific industries in 2024. Here's a step-by-step ultimate guide for beginners to help you get started. Step 1. Choose a niche industry. Identify an industry that can benefit from AI-powered software, such as healthcare, e.g., medical imaging, patient diagnosis, finance, e.g., risk analysis, portfolio management, retail, e.g., customer service, inventory management, manufacturing, e.g., quality control, supply chain optimization. Research the industry's pain points, challenges, and trends to determine the potential impact of AI-powered software. Step 2. Define your target market. Identify the specific companies or organizations within your chosen industry that would benefit from your AI-powered software. Research their current challenges, goals, and budget to understand their needs and potential ROI. Create a list of potential customers, including their contact information and company details. Step 3. Develop a business plan. Define your business goals, objectives, and strategy. Outline your product's features, functionality, and benefits. Determine your pricing model, revenue streams, and cost structure. Create a marketing and sales plan to reach your target market. Step 4. Assemble a team. Hire a team of experts with relevant skills in AI development, software engineering, data science, and industry expertise. Consider hiring freelancers or partnering with other companies to fill gaps in your team. Step 5. Develop your AI-powered software design and develop a minimum viable product (MVP) to test your concept and gather feedback. Use AI frameworks and tools such as TensorFlow, PyTorch, or Keras to build your AI models. Integrate your AI models with a user-friendly interface and data visualization tools. Conduct thorough testing and validation to ensure your software meets industry standards. Step 6. Conduct market research and validation. Conduct surveys, interviews, or focus groups with potential customers to validate your product's features and benefits. Analyze competitor products and market trends to identify opportunities for differentiation. Gather feedback and iterate on your product to improve its value proposition. Step 7. Develop a marketing strategy. Create a marketing plan that includes social media marketing, content marketing, blog posts, white papers, case studies, email marketing, paid advertising, Google Ads, LinkedIn ads, trade show participation, and sponsorship. Develop a content calendar to consistently promote your product and brand. Step 8. Launch your product. Launch your MVP and make it available to a limited number of early adopters. Gather feedback and iterate on your product to improve its performance and user experience. Expand your marketing efforts to reach a wider audience. Step 9. Sell your product. Develop a sales plan that includes direct sales outreach, partnering with industry consultants or system integrators, participating in trade shows and conferences, offering demos and trials to potential customers. Train your sales team on the product's features, benefits, and competitive landscape. Step 10. Monitor and improve. Continuously monitor your product's performance, customer feedback, and market trends. Gather feedback from customers and iterate on the product to improve its value proposition. Analyze sales data to optimize your marketing and sales strategy.